not have the capacity to strike back at the enemy, because the enemy has been prepared for the last 60, 70 years, South Africa, for the last 54 years, Rhodesia.
The seat of the government is home as well, and Lusaka begins with a capital L.
This is, of course, the capital. It's a small capital of the country, comparatively. On my left here, you can see the secretariat. This is where Chinosia, please turn left, right. Here, we're now getting to Minali. This is, to me, a very important place. Minali is my place of learning. I was very glad indeed and very fortunate to have a place here. I am quite convinced in my mind that if you have some more leaders, both in the industrial, political, and other fields, this is a bit too much. And we are looking at this, of course. Well, you have seen something of and something. I hope you have enjoyed yourselves. Time is up, Chinosia, to go.
Time in the past, but we feel that the reward of the harvest is now ours to share among our own people. When we look back, the path which led to this conference during today, we cannot entirely forget, but we can certainly forgive the days of our imprisonment and the occasions when many of us have been subject to personal indignities and hardship because of our political ideas. These unhappy memories have served only to broaden our minds, just as fruitful labor builds the body. And let me repeat, Mr. Chairman, we have no place for bitterness in our minds or in our actions.